Have you ever sat quietly after your grown child spoke to you in a way that left your heart heavy? No shouting, no apology, just disrespect. And in that moment you wonder, how did we get here? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn why this happens and exactly what to do about it. If you're watching this, you are not weak. You raised them. You sacrificed comfort for their future. You stayed awake on nights they don't even remember. And yet now you feel dismissed. But here's what most parents don't realize. Disrespect is not the end of the relationship. It's a signal. And once you understand the signal, everything changes. This is not about controlling your child, it's about reclaiming your self-respect. And here's the fascinating part. When you shift your internal posture, others automatically respond differently. Psychologists call this authority presence, and in a moment you'll learn how to activate it. But first, understand this. Disrespect continues only where boundaries feel negotiable. If your boundaries feel soft, behavior becomes loose. If your boundaries feel clear, behavior tightens. And the good news is, you can rebuild boundaries at any age. Let's begin. The first method is calm authority. Never raise your volume. Raise your certainty, because the human brain reads emotional stability as leadership. When disrespect appears, speak slowly, speak clearly, and say, "I won't continue this conversation if I'm being spoken to this way. We can talk when we're both calm." Notice what this does. You are not attacking. You are not defending. You are leading, and when you lead, others follow. But that's only the beginning. The second method is the validation loop, and this one is powerful because most parents skip it. Disrespect often hides frustration. When you validate feelings, you lower emotional walls. Say, "I hear that you're upset. I understand. But I still expect respectful communication." Did you feel that shift? Empathy softens the heart. Boundaries guide the behavior. Together, they rewire the relationship. And in a moment, I'll show you what happens if validation is missing. Now, the third method is the one most parents get wrong. Instead of threatening, you use the silent consequence frame. Because real authority never needs to shout. Say, "If this continues, I'll take space until we can interact respectfully." Simple, calm, firm, no drama, no punishment, just natural consequence. And here's the psychology. When access to you becomes valuable, behavior adjusts automatically. Powerful, isn't it? But what if your child says, "You're overreacting"? Here comes the fourth method, self-worth anchoring. Never explain your worth, never negotiate respect. Simply say, "I deserve respectful treatment in every relationship." Short statements become identity truths in the listener's mind. And when you speak identity, people listen differently. Try it once and you'll feel the difference. Now the fifth method uses emotional mirroring. Reflect, don't absorb. When your child is angry, say, "I see you're angry. I'm here when you're ready to speak kindly." This does something subtle. It returns responsibility to them. It says, "I acknowledge you, but I do not carry your storm." And when storms are not fed, they fade. Finally, the sixth method is detached love. And this is the highest form of parental authority. Love without dependency. Say, "I love you, but I will not accept disrespect in my life." That sentence alone can transform family dynamics, because it signals emotional independence. And emotional independence invites maturity. Now take a breath and listen carefully. You are not losing your child. You are teaching them how to treat you. And here's something rarely said: children never stop needing parental structure, even as adults. Especially as adults. And when you step into calm authority, the entire relationship rebalances. And in the next video, I'll share one sentence that instantly stops a disrespectful argument without raising your voice. Once you hear it, you'll never argue the same way again. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And remember, respect is not requested, it is modeled, it is maintained. And starting today, it is yours again.